I started having pain a little over 3 years ago. As it started a little bit on my back, and then as days go, it developed to my neck. And then after a couple of years, I started having extremely pain. Started going all the way through my hands, my legs, and very uncomfortable life.
Basically, what happened is she had an arthritis, and then what had happened, her disc moved, and what it did, it pinched her nerve, so she got severe pain in her back, and this has been going for so many years, and she's been really struggling. So basically, we did a lot of research to find the best treatment for her. We found a treatment travel in India, and what we did is we contacted a person. I believe her name was Dr. Urvi, and once we get in touch with her, she really helped us. What she did is she gave a WhatsApp number, and then from there everything was very easy because we could send all the details of her, what she's been going through. Everything was very easy after that.
Mrs. Warda was a patient of degenerative disc and pinched nerves, and our past experiences for patients suffering from similar disorders had been excellent with Dr. Sudhir Dubey at Medanta. So Mrs. Warda and her husband had a series of questions regarding her health problems and her treatment plan that the specialist doctor has given to her. And thereafter I booked an appointment with Dr. Sudhir Dubey for them, and I helped them with everything they needed to get a successful treatment done and a comfortable stay in India.
The first time I met Dr. Sudhir Dubey, I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be okay. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get better. But he was explaining to me, and he told me first I need to get some tests. So I did all the tests he required. After taking the results back to him, he told me what it needs to be done. And the way he was explaining what my problem was, I felt like he completely understood what it was I was going through.
When we examined her, we analyzed her posture. We found that she was her neck was like this. She had severe degeneration of two discs in the neck. Now, in these cases, you have two kinds of surgery which you can do. You can do a fusion, you can fix this, but at a young age, if you fix the bones, then it will cause accelerated degeneration at other levels. So what we decided to put an artificial disc like this, in which she had a normal movement of the neck, and we were also able to restore the lordosis, that is, she was stooped forwards, so we were able to restore the normal curvature of the cervical spine. So in this case, when we did this surgery, before that she was very apprehensive, and we cleared a lot of her doubts. This surgery has a good success rate with less than 1% risk factors, but the most important thing is that the pain should go away post-operatively. And this post-operative pain will go away if you restore the lordosis, take out the degenerative pathology, but mostly in the long term, if the patient has to be well, she will be taught a lot of postural correction exercises, and we will ask her to walk at least 4 kilometers every day so that other levels of the spine, other degenerative conditions don't affect her.
After my surgery, the third day I believe, I felt so much better. I felt like a different person. I was crying happy tears.
After so many years of pain, seeing her, so much pain, the only thing I can say, it's been a blessing experience. My wife, she feels better, and this all happened because of the best hospital that we've been treated. But not only the best hospital, treatment travelers, they were the one who actually arranged the whole package that that came together, and we were very thankful for that.
The message I have to everyone that's suffering the problem I have is, at first, I'm not a video person at all. I'm a very shy person. I'm not very talkative. But the reason why I agreed to do this is maybe it can touch some people who are suffering the same problem I went through. It's not easy. It will never be easy. But now I have hope, and I just feel like a different person, because at one point in my mind I was thinking someday maybe my husband and my kids will just get tired of me, because I didn't do nothing besides crying and complaining. That's all I had. That was my life. There were days where I would cry myself and think that my husband or my kids will just say, we are tired of her. She's always complaining and don't do anything. And I thank God. I think I cannot say words how thankful I am for Dr. Sudhir Dubey. I thank God so much, and I thank him with all my heart.